All right, y'all, I want to talk about this Bitcoin price action because it is very, very critical right now. What happens today as a new week beginning at such a critical level will determine what happens for the rest of the week. So the Bitcoin price action right now is at a very, very key area of support. And the reason for that is because if we take a look at the volume that we traded since the beginning of June, we can see that we are coming right now and testing this very important area with which, if we cannot hold, we are very, very likely to come back down all the way to these lows. Now, what happened was the price action broke out and is now getting a proper retest. And depending on what happens here, in my opinion, will determine what happens for the rest of the week. Now, last week, we were expecting this move to the downside after reaching an important area of resistance. In fact, in the VIP Discord, we did give multiple short setups to take shorts from these different levels. The short setup was given to short from 24.2, and then we gave another short setup over here to take the short from, let's see, this was such a juicy one, guys. The short from 23.9, which we did hit literally to the exact dollar. And then again on Friday, gave the short setup in here. We did take some longs as well. But then on Friday, gave the short to short from the 23.7 area where we had an important area of resistance. That is the short trade that I am currently in right now as well. And so this is a very key area, guys. This is a very, very, very key area because we got the breakout and now this is the retest. This to me is a make it or break it area. And by the way, if you do want to join the VIP Discord where we post the levels and the trade setups and multiple live streams a week going over the price action, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. So where are the important areas that we need to be looking out for? Well, number one, as long as we can hold this 21,800 level, right? 21.7 to 21.8, as long as we can hold this level, guys, I do think it's possible to get another move to the upside. However, there's something that we need to be aware of. We have a CME futures gap coming in right here at about 22,600. This is a very key level because if we cannot come above this level, I do believe that we will see a massive drop in Bitcoin. So 22,600, I would say 21.6 to 22.6. 22.6 is the door to higher prices. 21.6 is the door to lower prices. Now, why is this such a key level, 22.6? Not only is it the CME futures gap, and let me go ahead and label this as CME gap, but it's also a very local Fibonacci golden pocket retracement. If we take the fib from up here to down here, we can see that we have the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement coming in right there. In addition to that, guys, it's also today's daily open. So if we do get a move back up there, definitely this is key resistance. If we can't get above here, I'm starting to lose hope for the price of Bitcoin coming higher. Now, if we do come lower, what does that mean? As far as the trades go for me, we have some really nice areas of confluence. Number one, we have the Fibonacci golden pocket and the high volume node of the range between this area of 20,500 and 20,900, give or take 21K. Very important. If we lose that, then I am going to be looking down to these lows here, potentially for a bounce from this lower support. But, if we cannot hold this, then it wouldn't surprise me if we do something very similar to what we did back here, where we came up, broke out, put in the high, and then we eventually lost the range and came down lower, right? These are multiple scenarios that could play out, and it's very important that we always remain one step ahead of the market so that we can have a plan in advance and take advantage of that plan. For example, I never would have been able to get into such a juicy short trade here if I didn't have this plan in advance, right? I would not have been able to take these long trades if I didn't have the plans in advance, right? We have the plan in advance. We were looking to long from here, long from here. Both of those trades played out. We were looking to take a short from up here, and the trade played out literally perfectly to the dollar. I mean, these entries are on point because we have the plan in advance, right? So it's very important that we know what levels we are looking for, and then we execute if we get our confirmations, right? If we get our confirmations. And so right now, guys, you can see right here that Bitcoin is currently getting a bounce on a very low time frame. And this is one of the trades that we were looking for this morning, a potential chickens drinking water, coming down to, hang on, where is that? Where is that? Right here, coming down below this important level of 21,735 with bullish divergences, getting a move to the upside. That's exactly what's happening right now. If we come over to my my account over here, we can see I actually did take the trade, guys. Currently in profit right now, up about 29%. And so that's the thing, guys. If you have a plan in advance, you can really do decently in these markets, right? And so what I like to do also is I like to take profits when I'm in profit, right? And then move the stop loss to my entry to guarantee a winning trade right here. And let's hope that this limit order gets filled. But guys, this is how we do it. And so if you want to learn how to do this, you can check out the course at jasoncaspertrading.com. This course will give you the knowledge and the skills you need to become a confident, profitable trader. There's a 25% discount in the description of the video. This will help you to always have that plan in advance. Oh, I guess I better, hang on, I got to put it on the right screen. This course will give you that blueprint so that you always do have a plan in advance, so that whether the markets are pumping or dumping, you know where you are looking to take those trades. This is changing the way thousands of people approach the markets. So that's it, guys, for right now. I just wanted to come in and make this quick update. These are the most important levels that I am looking for. So, really be paying attention to them. God bless all of you in the name of Jesus the Messiah, and I will see everybody in the next video. Peace.